Hey, good morning. Welcome to the channel. My name is Paul. I own and operate TCI Development. We're a building contracting company located in Southern California. I've been in the building industry for over 40 years, and if you've ever wanted to build your own project or you're going to have a project built for you, follow us, join our channel, hit the subscribe button. We'll show you all aspects of building and how we build from start to finish. Thanks for watching. Okay, so the first project we're going to start filming is a 4,000 square foot custom home going up here in wine country. We actually started this project about 3 weeks ago when we finalized our grading. We didn't catch the grading in these videos because today's our launch video for YouTube. We didn't catch the grading, but no big deal. We have a lot of projects. We'll catch the grading on the next one. I'm taking a set of plans up to my plumber, Matt. Matt's been doing my plumbing for over 20 years. I'm going to take him a set of plans so he can chalk out his underground plumbing trenches. He's not real happy with me for making him come out on a Sunday, but he'll get over it. So I'm going to take Matt a set of plans. He's going to chalk out his plumbing trenches. We've already chalked out where the foundation is going to go on this pad. And tomorrow, Monday morning, we want to start excavating these footings and get these footings all dug, get this underground plumbing going so we can get this foundation started. So hit the subscribe button, join the channel, follow us along on these projects, and hopefully you can learn something by watching these projects that'll help you with your project. Okay, welcome back. We're going to be pulling up to the project here. 4,000 square foot custom home on the top of a mountain overlooking the whole entire valley. And no, I'm not on the Matterhorn at Disneyland. This is a bumpy dirt road. So I'm going to pull up here. Hopefully my plumber's here so I can get him started. I'll probably cut the video because he's upset with me that I made him come out on Sunday. It happens. Anyway, he should be here. And we're going to pull up right now, and then I'll film some of the project, show you what's going on and what we're going to do next. I'll talk to Matt first, make sure the F word doesn't come out a bunch of times. Like Matt Huggins, I call him Huggy Bear. Oh, there he is. Got his little Chinese hat on. Okay, we'll get down here, find out what's happening. Okay, so we're out here at this custom home that's going up on top of this hill. I'll show you guys the view because it's pretty awesome. Way up here on top of this mountain. So this house is over 100 feet long, and I was just going over with my plumber Matt what we're going to do with the septic system, because when he exits the house with the plumbing, he's going to be about 4 feet deep, and we have the septic tank going right over here. There's Matt down there. The septic tank is going in this location right here. So we're going to put the tank right here in this location, and then the leach field is going to go down here at the bottom of the hill. So we have plenty of fall from the tank to the leach field. We have to get the house starts down there, ends down here, and we have a bathroom on both ends. But as you can see, we've chalked out the house. The house is chalked out for us to dig our footings for the concrete foundation. Okay, right here is going to be a porch area. So you can see behind me, all these are going to be footings, pier footings for this porch foundation. And where Matt's at right now, that's going to be the garage, 3-car garage, or 3 garages actually. So being as though this house is 100 feet long and you have bathrooms on both ends, that plumbing is going to be quite deep when it exits the house. And so the septic tank that's going over there is going to have to be really deep, maybe 6 or 7 feet below the finished grade. So this is the house here, and I'll take some more videos tomorrow when we start trenching. We're going to trench these footings tomorrow. Matt's going to get his plumbing trenches all lined out so we can dig those tomorrow as well. And stay tuned, we'll post another video soon.